What's up, y'all? So I'm going to show you in this video how you can save your drum kits locally within FL Studio itself, so you don't have to keep navigating to find it and having this issue occur. So if you've ever had this dreaded problem, it sucks. You know, you move a folder around and you can't find your instruments and have to relink them. It could be a pain in the butt. So a workaround for this: save them locally. I had FL Studio 20 and upgraded to 21. It doesn't copy over these folders automatically. You have to do it manually, so that's the only drawback. But by default, FL Studio has a bunch of drum kits loaded for you. But if you have an old session, then they'll just show that it's missing stuff here. So yeah, so to fix that, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna close out FL Studio, and to navigate to these windows where I can copy the drum kits from the old version to the new, right click the application and click on Show Package Contents. Then from there, you're gonna kind of have to follow along this little path here. It's kind of a long one. But go to Contents, Resources, FL, and then Data. Almost there. Patches, and then Packs. So this is where all your drum kits that are locally stored on FL Studio will be. And essentially what I'm doing is copying over the old files from my drum kits I want into the newer version of FL Studio, and then I can delete the old one because I don't need duplicates. So you just select the ones you want. Now that I have all the old folders that I want selected, I'm just going to copy that over into the newer version of FL Studio. Now when I load up FL Studio, let's relaunch that. As you can see, it's loading up all my files, and now I have no error code. Now my session's ready to go. So hopefully this kind of helped clarify how to save your drum kits locally so you don't run into the issue potentially of missing files and folders. Just know it will take up space, it's saved on your computer, so just make sure you have enough room for it. Alright y'all, I will talk to you later.